How to do it with a saved TikTok video. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to do it with a TikTok video you have already saved? It's easier than you think. Here's a quick guide to make it happen. So let's get started. First, open your saved TikTok video in your phone's gallery. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't allow direct duets with saved videos, so we will need a little workaround. To do that, we upload the saved video as a private post. Upload the saved video to TikTok as a private post. To do this, click the plus button and select your video and set the visibility to only me before posting. Now, go to your private post and tap the share button and select Duet. You can record your side of the duet just like any other videos. And that's it. A simple way to do it with saved TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and let me know in the comment section what creative duets we are working on. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.